All right. Well, friends, here we are coming from Dr. David Acosta's office in Riverside, California. I have a testimonial from our patient, Jose Torres, today. Jose has been a patient at our office since January of 2023. And I just wanted to ask him some questions today about the reason why he is still coming to his chiropractic appointments now in July of 2024. So, Jose, what brought you to chiropractic care, and had you tried anything different before you came to our office?
Well, what brought me to chiropractic care is I've been an athlete almost my whole life. So I've been a pretty active person doing sports, boxing, weightlifting, running, you name it. And I felt like my body wasn't responding to what it usually was. Of course, age has a factor to it. I'm 41 right now, but it's still, I just felt it was off. It wasn't responding. So that's one of the main reasons I decided to give it a try. I say, hey, you know what? I read up on it. I know Dr. David from a very long time. He's a great person, great chiropractor. And I thought of him. I ran into him actually at the gym and I said, hey, sometimes two and two are put together without we even realizing. I started talking to him and he started explaining to me a little bit more about the benefits of chiropractic care. And I said, you know what? This might be exactly what I need, what I'm looking for. And so sure enough, I came. As you mentioned, I've been doing it for a year and a half now, I believe.
Yeah.
And I find it so very beneficial so far.
Awesome.
It's definitely fixed a lot of things in my body that I knew were off, and now I just feel great, like it's back to what its full potential should be at my age.
Perfect. And how soon after you started chiropractic care did you notice any changes?
I noticed some significant changes. Let me tell you about the first one. I mean, the first adjustment, that one was a little like, whoa, what happened? I mean, I even called Dr. David and I said, Dr. David, I feel like lightheaded almost in a sense because of everything that was kind of put back in alignment.
Yeah.
He says that's completely normal, but I started to feel the actual benefits when my body started to shift. I felt better within maybe as far as like 2 months, I would say. Around the 2-month period, I started to notice that pain where I had in my groin area no longer was there. It was subsiding. It wasn't as intense. My left shoulder wasn't as stiff anymore. And actually my range of motion in my running and my soccer games was a lot, and my strides were a lot wider without any trouble. So I started to notice these small changes around that time, around 2 months.
Okay, wonderful. And then it's been, like you said, over a year. So we're July of 2024. Is there any particular reason why you continue doing your chiropractic care?
I mean, there's many. But I think the most important one for me is the way that I feel on a daily basis. Knowing that I'm getting adjusted and knowing that I'm actually giving my body its maintenance that it needs, I think is what's really keep me coming and keep me going. Understanding the importance of it and the benefits that it's had on me, it just keeps me coming. For example, when we work out and train, we talk about maintenance. We have to maintenance our body, we have to maintenance our mind, we have to maintenance our spirit. Well, chiropractic is part of maintaining the body, and so I understand that concept. And so understanding that chiropractic care is the same thing as you're actually maintaining your body, that's what keeps me coming, besides all the great benefits that I've been feeling from it.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Jose. I hope that his testimonial actually helps you guys have a feel for why people keep coming to their chiropractic doctor after going through their first phase of care. That's the corrective phase. Jose is now in wellness, and I believe that he'll probably continue taking care of his health and doing wellness probably for life.
Pretty much.
Am I right? Awesome. Thank you so much, Jose.
You're welcome.
Thank you, guys.